Yo, what up, fam? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a VAT tax on your Bosscart website so you collect that on the purchase for. So this is for if you have international customers. This is pretty important. So let me walk you through how it works real quick. We're going to go to my shop, and then we're going to click our settings. We're going to click taxes. So we're going to add a country. So we can choose a country. We can go global. But for this example, I'm going to pick a UK address. We're going to go United Kingdom. I'm going to call this VAT tax. It's going to be 20%. We'll exempt businesses. We won't apply to shipping. It's confirmed. So tax has been added. We're not going to include it in the product price. So we're going to pass it on to the customer. So let's take a look at how it works. We're going to go to our store. We're going to choose our blog templates, add it to cart, check out now. This is what we got. We'll get 2 of them, so it's $194. Proceed to checkout. And then we're going to add a fictitious person here, so let's do a London address. UK, and then hit continue. So as you can see here on the order summary, on the checkout screen, our VAT tax of 20% has been added, and our total price is shown right there, and that's what the customer will pay at checkout. So it's really that simple. You can add any type of taxes that you want, you customize it, and wherever you want that tax to be applied to, you just add a separate tax for that location, and it'll automatically add it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If not, leave a comment below. Share this with somebody who might need it. And until next time, peace.